How to download Instagram videos and Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download Instagram videos and Reels quickly and easily. Whether you want to save your favorite Reels or keep videos for offline viewing, I've got you covered. Now, without further ado, let's get started. But before we start, remember, always respect copyright and privacy law. Download videos only for personal use. Don't repost someone else's content without permission. Alright, let's get into the method. To simply say that to download the Instagram videos and Reels from the Instagram, it totally depends upon the videos. If the content creators of that video allows you to download the video, you can simply download that video by clicking on the share button, and after tapping on it, you can find the download option on the bottom of the screen. You simply need to tap on it and your videos will be saved to gallery. Now, what if the video creator doesn't allow the video to be downloaded? To download such videos, the Instagram doesn't allow you the direct option to download that video, but there are some roundabout methods by which you can download the video. But there are some certain limitations. You can't download more than 30 seconds of the clip of that video. Now, let's get started with this method. To do this, you simply need to tap on the share button. After tapping on the share button, you simply need to tap on the add to story button and you will be prompted to the story page. Once you are in the story page, you simply need to tap on the three dot icon shown on the top right corner and the drop down menu will appear. From that menu, you need to simply tap on save and your videos will be saved to the gallery. And once you have saved the video to your gallery, you can simply discard the story. And that's it for the video. Now you successfully know how you can download Instagram videos and Reels. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.